Hey, it's Edward, and today I'm going to show you how I get my textured look, sometimes referred to as my beach hairstyle. There's just something special about the sea salt and the air and water. It really does amazing things to your hair. So now I'll show you how to get those same results like you went to the beach, but at home. Don't forget, as always, hit that subscribe button. You wouldn't want to miss any of these helpful tips or tricks, would you? Okay, on to the style. Medium to longer hair is best. Short hair just doesn't work because you can't get the layers needed for the texture. And if you already have a little natural texture, you're gonna love this. First, I'll take a nickel-sized amount and rub it together in my hands. Then I simply rub it through my damp hair, making sure I evenly spread the product out so that way I can shape it in any way I want. It's a low hold cream, so I can continually adjust my hairstyle throughout the day. For me, I found it to be better to get even more curl when I let my hair naturally dry and I play around with it, kind of like this. The end result is a hairstyle that didn't take a lot of work to achieve. I hope you enjoyed watching how I create that fresh from the beach look with one of my favorite hair products available today. Be sure to show your support for this video by liking, and while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Stay handsome.